This is Vijay Rohit and I'm standing at Xavier's College, Mumbai, and we have a lot of Xavierites behind and they are showing true spirit of roadies. So what are you expecting this season?
I hope that a girl wins this time, probably feminism for it. Yeah, so I hope Raghu and Rajiv are a little bit liberal, and yeah, Ranvijay is hot enough. So yeah, I'm hoping there's a lot of action and drama and controversy, and yeah, a lot of, you can say, just a whole new package, a whole new exciting season.
Okay, what's your good name?
My name is Ananya.
Okay, what are you expecting from Roadies 10?
I'm expecting new activities, more daring, and obviously Ranvijay. And actually, Roadies is known for its drama, so let's hope this season too there's drama. That's it.
Okay, your big smile is saying something really else. I mean, for Ranvijay for sure.
I really love Ranvijay. I'm a really big fan, so I'm looking forward to maybe taking out his shirt or something this season. So yeah.
Okay, what about you?
I don't know. I've never watched Roadies, so probably this season I'll actually watch it.
What are you expecting from Roadies 10 this season?
I'm expecting a lot of drama. I'm expecting a lot of crazy things to happen, and I'm dying to see the new bikes. That's it.
Okay, how about you, girl?
A lot of extreme activities will take place.
Okay, what's a good name? Okay, what are you expecting from that?
I hope it becomes a hit again, like the previous seasons. A lot of drama stuff.
Okay, what about you?
Cat fights. And drama and stuff like that. Like they don't seem like they hype it, but it's an amazing show and lots of time pass.
Okay.
I want Raghu and Rajiv to chop people harder than they usually do. Yeah.
I want some brutal dragging scenes from them again because I love this show. And I want them we want the contestants to be sorry for coming on Roadies and think it's not a piece of cake like they usually do.
Okay. Do you generally like the task in Roadies, what all happened till this season?
The tasks, not really.
Why not bring in something
They're not
that's
brutal enough. They should get more brutal. Like they had an act where the guys had to strip or something and then in front of everyone, in front of the camera. That was pretty brutal. They should do something worse than that.
Well, a lot of hell, fun, excitement, adventure.
Okay. Okay. What about you?
Laughing my ass, watching people mess up, yeah. And hell, as you said.
Okay. Okay. What about you?
Nothing. Yeah, people mess up a lot in the show. Like they see the other side of the people, what they generally don't show generally in public. So like they get fucked up in their minds and yeah.
Okay, this season they have two teams. One is Ranvijay's and one is Raghu's team. So which team are you want to win?
I think Ranvijay because I like him. Like he's pretty good now. He's pretty cool at the same time. So I'm supporting Ranvijay.
Okay, and what about you?
I think Raghu because he's senior. That's why.
This is not the reason to win. I mean, come on.
Then Ranvijay.
Ranvijay's the why are you so diplomatic? You have to be at one place.
Raghu.
Okay, for what? For why you want him to win?
Yeah, he's bald.
Roadies 10 has a different concept, like the two teams. I'll be supporting Ranvijay's team because the new Roadies are going to be up against the ex-Roadies, which is represented by Raghu's team. It's going to be an interesting concept because Raghu's team will get to see the other Roadies from the other seasons come back and fight it out with the Roadies that are going to be selected this time. It's going to be good. Let's just hope.
I think Raghu's team should be better because they're all the experienced people who've already taken part in Roadies. So then that's what I feel, that the experienced people will obviously have an advantage over the new people who just come.
Like I don't know much about Roadies 10. It's just that this whole Ranvijay versus Raghu, like I am personally interested more in the interviews. So it gives a whole new dynamics to the interviews. So those are much more fun to watch.
That's not a kind of reality that I want to see.
More of gali galoch, more of desi masala, and more of hookups, link-ups.
Roadies 10, obviously more of Raghu action. I love him. I love watching the auditions. I don't really get to catch more of the shows, but the auditions are really fun to watch. So expecting more of the gali flinging and all the internal politics and all that shit.
I've seen Roadies only till season 7, and after that, because of my mom and all of them didn't allow.
I'm really excited because I'm just waiting to see all the new tasks and all the drama and the commotion that's all in for this one. And Roadies as well. New experience and all.
Definitely excited for Roadies. There's much more drama, I assume. And of course, Raghu and Rajiv are a delight to watch, and so is Ranvijay. I love Ranvijay.
So yeah, looking forward to it. When I was in 8th standard, all I wanted to do in life was to be a roadie. But like not anymore. I stopped watching roadies now.
I watched Cutie Appa, which is a parody of the roadies, which is really cool.
I don't watch roadies, but I've heard of it, and the guys who handle marketing are pretty good.
I've never heard of that show. I don't really watch it. It sounds like it's boring or something.
Roadies 10, I'm with Ranvijay's team. Because he's not sexy, but I just like him and all that. Means he's better than Raghu.
I think it's overhyped. It's really overhyped, and I think I didn't watch it because it was. And you don't want to be in the contemporary stream.
I've watched a few auditions and like I've liked it a lot. And but till now they've got like only 3 people. So like the thing, people are not actually good. Like the ones when Ranvijay and all were part of it, but like the people are not too good about it this time.
I haven't watched much of Roadies. I think maybe the first or second season where Ranvijay was. And according to me, I still feel no one is as good as Ranvijay. Like according to me, he's the best.
I don't follow roadies much, but I like watching Ranvijay. I don't watch roadies.
Why?
Because it's crap. Like I used to follow it, I think, till Roadie season 5, and then it just.
I'm sorry, I don't know. But I've heard that there are 2 teams supposedly, and so they try to spice up the whole environment. So I hope it's good, and I hope there are like more people from Mumbai and less people from Delhi and Punjab in this time.
Roadies, it was always an on and off thing for me. I haven't seen all seasons, but yeah, some seasons were really interesting when you have these twins winning, or you have Palak coming in and going all, and then when you see her in movie random videos, I think she's in that Sing is King song, right? Yeah, so when you see things like that, and then you see like a life that you are really not used to, language that you don't really use. So yeah, fun things like that.
Roadies 10 has really stormed the youth of Mumbai, but few ones are really cynical about the show. But what do you think? Post in your comments on youtube.com/BollywoodNow and facebook.com/BollywoodNow videos in Mumbai with cameraman Kamaldeep Singh. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now.